that have already updated. And this is iQOO 3 Plus. Here 3 guys want to share their feelings about this phone. And follow me.
It has the beautiful and the fashion shape and you deserve it.
This is my favorite phone. I like it because it has 16 million pixels and I can take picture anywhere and anytime. Let's take a picture. Join me! The phone comes with auto call. It's very fantastic to playing games. I love playing games very much. It can match all my books. It's very cool to play games.
Okay, today's review is here. If you want to get more information about this smartphone, please subscribe our channel to be on daily life. Okay, see you next time. Bye.